Hello my YouTube friends, this is Brian with BG Model Workshop. Just doing a real quick update on the Thunderbolt One for the Joe Thompson Monster Truck build, which is going to be ending, I believe, sometime this week. So we're doing the best we can to bang this out. So I got some color on the chassis. This is Pontiac Sunburst Orange, which I call mac and cheese yellow. I like it. It's a good color. I kind of like the golden tint that it has to it. We're going to do some detail painting on here for the springs and the axles, and then start mounting up engines and transfer cases and drive shafts and all the other fun stuff. The body is in primer. We're hoping to get some color on that tomorrow. The hood scoop turned out really well. This is off an AMT 55 Chevy kit that I snatched out of the parts box, and that mounted right up on there. No trouble at all. I was actually shocked at how well that happened, so I figured I did something wrong someplace. I think you probably know how that goes. The interior, we got the gloss on the leatherette areas, and then the floor is just going to be a straight flat black. And then the engine itself, this is Italian red. I thought that was a nice vibrant, nice eye-catching color. And we're going to let this cure up just a little bit more, then we'll start doing a detail painting on it. And we got the manifold on there for our injector stacks, and we're using the AMT issue metal ejector pit stacks. I like the look of those a lot better than the ones that came with the kit. Also, we're going to be mounting up a resin radiator with molded in fans. I like that look of that. Saves a lot of space in the engine compartment. And then our shocks, our shock tubes and dust covers. We're going to be detail painting that up a little bit later on too, and getting ready to mount those to the chassis. And then engine compartment wise, you're going to be using the B&L resin. I think that's an XL super coil that's going to go on the firewall for the ignition system, and then a pre-wired distributor cap that we got from Prestigious Car Parts. I get these from a local place that I like going to here, run by a couple of friends of mine, Dick and Suzanne. They super nice folks. If you're in the Phoenix area or in the Valley, stop in and give them a check. They're pretty nice folks. They have a pretty good selection. If they don't have it on the shelf and it's currently issued, they can order in for you without any problem at all. The roll cage, I did that in yellow also. And I need to start detail painting up these yellow and red parts, because it's starting to look like I painted my truck with mustard and ketchup. I did end up going with the original seats because they're going to be pretty much hidden inside the roll cage. So painted them, glossed them to give it that leatherette feel and look, and those are going to go in and get hidden by everything else. And then parts box steering wheel, found this just laying around. I figured that looked pretty cool, a little better than the original kit steering wheel, and then hit that with the chrome pen. A little bit more detail on that, we'll be doing just fine. But for right now, that's what we got going on, and then we'll talk to you a little bit later on. Bye.